welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. I pray that everyone had a wonderful Christmas. Now that Christmas is over, it is Tablescape Tuesday. I'm back and I am ready to do a Tablescape. Tablescape Tuesday is hosted every Tuesday by Amethyst Adventures and Grace Life DIY. So I am getting rid of everything that is Christmas in my kitchen, and you know what? We might as well go ahead and look forward to the new year. 2024 is quickly approaching, so you know what? I decided to do a New Year's Eve tablescape. So as I clear everything out, I'm all about being organized. Let's get things done. No need of procrastinating. I know everybody does not take their Christmas decor down this soon, but I have a good bit of Christmas decor. So in order for me to move from one thing to the next, I got to get rid of it. All of this winter white, winter wonderland has got to go, and it must go today. I went to Walmart. I found these bins for $6.98, the greens and the reds. So I decided to put the red lids on the green bins and the green bins on the red bins. So that way, when I store all of my Christmas decor, the green and red, is for Christmas. I kind of did the same thing with my Valentine's Day and some of my fall. I bought orange bins for my fall when they were out, so that way I could have fall items in them. Now, I did find some fuchsia colored bins that I want to put my Valentine's Day decor in, so I just want to be a little bit more organized. So yeah, I have got to just get rid of everything because I'm planning on going shopping, and so in order for me to put new things out, I kind of got to get rid of the old things or just put them away for a little while. Until next year, tell this winter wonderland bye-bye. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. Now, there is a playlist that goes along with this collaboration. Please go by each participant's channel to watch their video. Please watch to the end. Give them a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to their channel. By subscribing, liking, and sharing, this helps us grow. Please help each other grow during our journey here on YouTube. I want to personally thank Anna over at the Grace Life DIY and Courtney with Amethyst Adventures for hosting this fun collaboration. This definitely gives us a chance to support each other, to inspire each other. And so even if you're just putting out a video once a week, it still helps your channel to grow. So thank you, ladies, for doing this collaboration. I am so looking forward to see what's new for 2024. One thing I must say, you never know how much stuff you have until you have to pack it all away. I had no idea this was so much. The last thing I need to do is get everything off of my Christmas tree, everything off of this table, and we are going right into my tablescape. This will be the last Tablescape Tuesday for 2023, I'm sure of. Yes, because this is the last Tuesday for this year. So we want to make sure we leave out with a bang. So I'm excited to show y'all what I am presenting in this week's video. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to speed through. So just hang on. Let's speed through so we can get to the tablescape. now that everything is away, here is my New Year's Eve tablescape. I decided to go with black and gold. I wanted it to have a lot of bling, a lot of sparkle, because this is how you want to bring in the new year. My items that I'm decorating with, besides my plates, but just like my paper decor, my poppers, my horns, and my celebration hats came from the Dollar Tree and Family Dollar, all $1.25. And I'm just using what I had around the house, the martini cups, which was in my shopping haul. Now that little small bottle there that I'm kind of making it look like it's in an ice bucket, and I decorated it with just a little string to go on the tables, my DIY napkin rings, black velvet napkins. This is definitely a New Year's Eve party table for two. So I hope you guys like it. And I have just another treat to show you. I always like to do just a little bit more extra. And so, as you saw, I cleaned off all of my buffets so that way I could do some decorating, because I'm very visual. So I think if you have the table set, you need to at least do your buffet. I didn't do both of them, but I went with just the one that's right behind the table. But I think this table turned out really nice. It was fun to do. I enjoyed it. Have the gold ice bucket, because you always want just a little bit of bubbly, even if it's non-alcoholic, coming into the new year. So this is my tablecloth. I bought this from efavormart.com. And so we are just ready to celebrate. And I'm going to probably keep this on my table unless, something else comes out where we have to do another tablescape. But here is my hutch. And you know what? I went ahead and I decorated my black trees as New Year trees. I put the Happy New Year's tiaras on there. I put the horns. And I think this is so cute and fun to bring in the new year. I hope you guys enjoy it. If I don't see you again, let me go ahead and say Happy New Year from Creating with Miss Kaye. Be blessed, and I pray you have a prosperous new year.